Welcome to Smart Tips and Tricks. It's Walleye Day, baby, and look at this dish. You will not go wrong with this. You'll love it. We're back with Smart Tips and Tricks, and what we're doing today is walleye, and you're going to love this dish. And I'm going to bring Cuco in to show you how it's all done. Cuco, explain the ingredients and how we're going to do it.
Alright, so we're gonna pan roast our walleye. Then we're gonna serve with sauteed spinach, roasted red peppers, and garlic, and also polenta cake. We're gonna start first with our polenta. We're gonna sear our polenta.
So you get that butter hot, then you're gonna sear the polenta.
Alright, so we're gonna pop in our polenta right in the oven.
And what temperature is that at?
It's 450 right now. So also we can serve it for sauteed spinach, olive oil, garlic. As you can see, it's already golden brown. We're gonna sit this aside because it's gonna keep warm.
A little pepper.
Pepper.
A little salt.
Salt. And we're gonna also add the...
That's what I was wanting to know. When do you put the red pepper in there? Just to saute that, give it the flavor, the texture.
It's just to give extra flavor to it. So right now this is warm up. We can add salt to the fillet. Pepper.
And that's just to give it a little bit more flavor.
Right, and we also gonna add herbs because, you know.
And what are your herbs that you're putting in?
So it's rosemary and thyme. Okay. So now we have butter right there. And I use this butter. So butter is gonna give the crispiness. If you add olive oil, it burns on a high temperature, and butter does not. We can add. You can hear how it's sizzling, so that means that it's hot.
So you're cooking it skin down or skin up.
Skin up.
And why do you do that?
To keep it a little more moist.
Keep some moisture in it.
Right. And you can also add some salt and pepper to the skin. Some people like to use the skin.
This smells outstanding.
Now look what you can
In the butter, I can smell the garlic, the peppers coming up, and even the lemon butter caper sauce. What a dish.
Yeah.
This is another easy dish that you can cook at home after you get off the boat. Doesn't take a lot of work. And this is something that everybody can enjoy.
Right.
So you look at the spinach, that's the base. Then you have that beautiful color with the red peppers, which brings more flavor into the dish. And bring the plum out, and then you plate the fish.
Yeah, so
what a dish.
Ready to serve? And probably this is, something that you can share with someone. Add a little bit of lemon caper sauce.
And that gives it a little acidity, saltiness with
Salty
the capers.
with the capers, like a briny.
Yeah. Oh my God, does that look delicious? I'm not sharing that with anybody. I'm telling you, just another recipe from Cuco, and what a hit this is going to be. I can't wait to dig into it. But look down below, you'll get the recipe, and if you have a recipe, send it in. But this is going to be absolutely delicious.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned as much as I did. Make sure you like, subscribe, and remember, the full recipe is in the link below.